Good evening to everyone. Welcome to CSK Natural Farming. So, in previous video we talked about how to prepare fish amino acid. That means how to prepare the nitrogen nutrients to the plants. Okay. In this video, how to prepare calcium nutrients to the plants. That means when in chemical farming they are using calcium sulfate, zinc sulfate for better growth of fruits, better growth of flowers, and in paddy also milky stage they are giving calcium to grow better grain stage also. So in our natural farming also, that means in chemical farming they are using this type of zinc sulfate, calcium sulfate for flowering stage. In our natural farming also they have one growth promoter. His name is egg amino acid. What are the ingredients materials to prepare the egg amino acid? Means first we have to take tight container with lid, plastic jar or glass jar. That means if in your house A1 grade one is glass jar, A2 is plastic. That means when the unavailable of glass jar, we will take plastic jar also, no problem. And don't take metal jar. Please don't avoid the metal jar, because while we pouring this lemon citric acid, in the citric acid they easily attracts to this metal jar. But in the plastic jar is impossible, in glass jar never impossible. Okay, so in this acid they can easily attract, they can easily spoil the metallic, they are releasing the metallic oxide. So we avoid the metal jar. Please use the plastic jar or a glass jar. First of all we have to take plastic jar with lid, and second one is eggs, and third one is lemon. That means lemon juice. Why should we have to take this closed lid? Means while you pour in that lemon juice in this bottle, in this jar, in this time while you keep the open jar, in this present in the lemon juice citric acid, they can easily evaporate. So in this jar there is no present in the anaerobic respiration. So while we using this one lid, the anaerobic respiration in this jar. Okay, are you understand? Then only we will use this lid. Okay, first we take 12, that means 1 dozen eggs. We will take this 1 dozen eggs. That means I am saying approximately we will take these eggs, and we have to keep in this jar with line by line. Okay, come here. We will keep this. Avoid the refrigerator eggs. Okay, we will go. Avoid the refrigerator egg. This means we will avoid the refrigerator egg. Why should we have to avoid? Means in these eggs there is a presented in the calcium carbonate, in these eggshells. So while we keep in this jar inside eggs, means we have to keep like this, Wait, I am saying. First we have to this eggs, we will keep line by line with no cracks. Okay, we keep these eggs. So we don't take like this cracked eggs. Because why should we avoid this cracked egg? Means while you keep this cracked eggs inside the jar, in these eggs they release the salmonella bacteria. This is harmful pathogenic bacteria. While we use this cracked eggs inside the jar, that salmonella bacteria can easily multiply in the salmonella bacteria. They will easily increase the poisonous in this egg amino acid. That means they didn't give the chance to increase the beneficial bacteria in this egg amino acid. So please avoid this cracked eggs, because in salmonella bacteria means while we see in this in our house, in our home also, that lizard bacteria, that lizard bacteria can carry in that skin salmonella bacteria. While that lizard can fall down into our food, that salmonella bacteria can poisonous our food. While we eating, it will affect our stomach to poisonous. So that much of harmful effect of that salmonella bacteria. Please avoid that this cracked eggs. Otherwise it will increase the salmonella bacteria in egg amino acid. That means in this egg amino acid to prepare, we need the lactic acid bacteria. That means Lactobacillus plantarum, lactic acid bacteria, Tribiococcus, Streptococcus, the bacteria we did know to ferment the amino acid. When they enters the Salmonella bacteria, they didn't form of beneficial bacteria in egg amino acid. That means they didn't multiply. They slowly degrade that beneficial bacteria, and Salmonella bacteria can increases. So must and should we have to avoid this cracked eggs. Okay, must and should we have to avoid this cracked eggs, and avoid also that refrigerated egg also. And next one, we have to pour this lemon juice. Okay, this lemon juice must and should we have to pour with filter with by the cotton cloths. Okay, avoid direct pouring, no, please avoid, and we have to use that cotton cloth. We'll take this cotton cloth. We'll put them. Put. And we have to pour. Take it. Okay, we pour no this lemon juice. In this lemon juice, completely this egg was completely immersed in the citric acid. That means in the lemon juice present citric acid. No, this egg must and should completely immersed in the lemon juice. Okay, we have to pour above the 2 to 3 inches above the eggshells. Then only it will ferment the proper way. Okay. Next we see why we have to keep the this egg amino acid. We have to keep the indoor only. Don't keep outdoor, because in this egg amino acid can ferment only 20 Celsius temperature. Okay. In the 20 Celsius temperature only can ferment this egg amino acid. Otherwise it will can't ferment above 35. You will keep while we keep the outdoor, this egg amino acid can't ferment. You will keep only indoor. Okay. So we have to morning and evening, just we have to open this lid. We have to open and close. Why should we have to open the close this lid? Means open and close we have to do regular that work means in this eggshells having these eggshells, outer eggshells having there is presented in the calcium carbonate. That means calcium carbonate gas. While this bacteria can break down the calcium carbonate, that gas can, they have to chance to blast this jar. That means that gas can explode to explosion of blast. It will affect the blast. So that calcium carbonate can gas converts into carbon dioxide. While we opening this lid, that calcium carbonate gas convert into carbon dioxide, we have to release into the air. Okay. So that purpose only we have to morning and evening we have to open and close the lid. Okay, are you understand? So we have to keep the in this egg amino acid to prepare of 2 stages. First stage is first to 12 days. That means first to 11 days we have to keep this like morning and evening we have to open and closing. After 12th day we have to add the 500 grams of jaggery in this liquid. That means we have to take the one stick. We have to smash the all eggs. After we have to add the jaggery. For what purpose we have to add the jaggery means the bacteria need the food to to survive the, what is the food? The jaggery only, the bacteria to survive the food. While we adding the jaggery, the bacteria can multiplying easily survive. The process also will be speed to ferment this egg amino acid. For after 11th to 21 days, we will add the 500 jaggery. After 22nd date, we will get this liquid type of egg amino acid. Okay. After 22nd date, we will squeeze we will get the liquid type, and we will get the 5 ml per liter water. We will apply on the plants for foliar spray. Okay, this is the egg amino acid of natural farming. This name is egg amino acid. Okay, thank you.